Welcome to this episode of Get Dressed with Me. On this episode, it is a silk and wool knit kind of pieced together dress from Junya Watanabe. I love this dress. I am putting it in my consignment store though. I have had it forever. I have loved it and it is time for me to edit my closet. So I am letting go of this gem that I love so much. As you can see, there's like a cardigan bit that's attached to the back of the dress that you can tie either low, you can let it hang, or tie around your waist, kind of like a peplum, as you can see. You can also actually wear the cardigan part and have the silk bit, the bit hanging down and tied around your waist, but I did it this way with the silk bit because that's how I've worn it the most. Here it is with my Adidas Sambas, also with some kilties from the Earth Shop, and then also tied low. It's super cute. I love this dress so much. It's kind of like a Victorian night dress with some beautiful lace on the bottom and then this crazy like cardigan thing that's attached to it. Love it so much. It's a classic Junya. Now here it is with a classic Levi's trucker jacket and some Manolo brown leather lace-up sandals. I like this dress because you can really wear it year-round. It can be layered up for winter or worn more kind of summery like this. And it's also here just with a little mun straw bag, bucket bag, shoulder bag, and Fendi sunglasses. Also, my lingerie in this episode is from Savage. Fenty Rihanna's lingerie line. Now again, the versatility of this dress is part of what I think makes it so fun. It can go kind of from, American classic goth, easy, grungy 90s vibes into this kind of more, this is more like, I don't know, I think like rock and roll goth with my Fry engineer boots, my Chanel bag with a bandana scarf from the Elder Statesman, and the lack of color Ritz hat from the Australian hat brand. Again, just kind of leaving it long for this one because it feels a little bit more like gothy and covered up, but I like to play with the proportion, and it's part of why I love Japanese designers like Junya and Rei Kawakubo, who does Comme des Garçons, so you can really play with the clothes and wear them a million different ways. Now, this is kind of like a mensweary Celine-y, like Celine's very inspired by Junya and Comme des Garçons, but I love it with this oversized men's double-breasted cashmere blazer from Antonio Azuolo and Celine pony hair loafer slip-ons, kind of slipper shoes. It just makes for an easy kind of calmed down version of this dress. Now here it is with a silk kimono from my friend Kinder Agagini's clothing line, and I love it with this little silk cropped kimono jacket with the white lines on it, and then these are my glitter disco shoes, platform sandals from Marc Jacobs. I like wearing it. Again, this dress, I've worn it out to crazy parties. I've worn it just day-to-day working. I've worn it to run errands. It's just a great all-around dress to wear anytime. You can layer it up with tights if it's winter time. It's just chic. And you guys know I'm a big fan of all black, so obviously this dress is great for all that. So there it is, the Junya Watanabe dress going into my shop, my closet on my website. Go check it out. See you guys later.